We've got our boy Van Oak from the Diesel Brothers, Rolls Royce Ghost here. And well, we're gonna get rid of this cast set of wheels and install a really nice set of forged Vossen 22s. We're gonna reuse these tires and tire pressure sensors, save them a little bit of money. But I'm excited to see the final product because this offset's weak. As much lube on them as possible. Now it doesn't look cheap anymore. Jose comes back and says, I thought that was a Chrysler 300 because of those cheap wheels that were on it. Now look at it, it's a Rolls Royce again. Literally weighs half of the weight and it is 1,000 times better looking. The stance, everything about it's better.
Brand new Ferrari in. I'm gonna be doing a front end on it. As you can tell, we have an extremely large hood, so it's gonna be a nice little stretch and some fun stuff to do. We'll do the mirrors, fenders, bumper, headlights, just basic. We might convince him to do some rear spats just because we know these Ferraris like to really kick up rocks and stuff with these giant rear wheels. So see what he wants to do there.
Chance, this is a pretty big hood. How did you go about making sure that that doesn't fail?
On pieces like this, I like to lay the hood with the least amount of stress down in here as I can. That way I can get it tucked down all the way to the edge without it wanting to bounce back on me. So if you were to lay this hood out and stretch it out, you'd have so much tension right there you wouldn't be able to like wrap down around to get all the way down to the edge. But since I laid the hood flat and kind of left myself some tension down in there and then worked my fingers away from that, it's gonna lay down in there really nice and not bounce back up. So we don't have any tension on that now.
Going down with this, Joe?
So the owner of this car put some miles on it and he had it PPF full body originally. So now we're gonna wrap it another different color of blue. We use the steamer, put her nice and toasty warm and pull it off without moving any paint or anything like that.
Going on?
We're doing some door jams here on this 2020 NSX.
What's the purpose of doing this?
Mad flex.
Flex?
Well, you know, you don't want to see this blue with your baby blue. You go full baby blue, which is a lot of work and you have to take your doors off.
It doesn't look like it's wrapped. It's pretty wild.
You'll never know. Even if you open the doors, everybody's going to think you got a baby blue NSX, but you don't.
We're here at Envision's Cars and Coffee. We host this event last Sunday of every month from 9 to 11. I'm enjoying one of pinned coffees with Red Bull Frappuccinos. These things are wonderful, will make your heart race so you can't even speak on camera. We've got a couple of beautiful 765 McLarens behind us here. We've got an 8 Dogs R8 and the parking lot's packed. Let's go take a look. makes this event so special to me is the fact that we get such a broad variety of car enthusiasts out here. And it's just awesome to see the car culture and the car scene here in Utah. I mean, it's so broad and so vast, but everybody's here hanging out, having a good time. How do I look? I don't know what to say now. I'm on the spot. They're watching me.
Do it.
I don't know what to do.
Say it. Say it.
They're looking at me.
Subscribe.
Look at me.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And we're gonna keep watching our videos and stuff and things.
Yeah.
And have fun.
We want to thank everybody for coming out to Cars and Coffee. Reminder, last Sunday of every month, 9 to 11. Remember, like, subscribe, all those things on the YouTube channel. Appreciate you watching. Looking forward to the next video.